Hey guys, it's Seth, your detail doc, ceramic coating and paint correction specialist. I get asked all the time, Seth, how do I take care of a ceramic coating? So I want to address that question today in this video. First off, ceramic coatings are not bulletproof. They are not maintenance free. You still have to take care of and maintain your ceramic coating. You want to make sure to talk to your detailer if they have any maintenance programs or maintenance plans for you guys to take care of your ceramic coatings like I do. Ceramic coatings do need to be washed still. You still have to take care of your ceramic coating. You can still damage a ceramic coating, so it's important that you maintain and take care of your ceramic coating. As far as maintenance goes, you want to make sure you fully wash and dry the vehicle every single time. You want to avoid touch car washes, the brush car washes, because like I said, you can still put damage into a ceramic coating. Automatic car washes, it's going to put damage into your ceramic coating. I recommend you wash your vehicle at least once a month, and that's even stretching it there. If you can get to it once a week or twice a month, bi-weekly, go for that. You want to do as frequent as possible to get the dirt off and the grime off as much as possible from your ceramic coating. You don't want to leave heavy dirt and grime build up on your ceramic coating because over time it could lead to degradation of your coating. Here are some products I got with me. You can do a rinseless wash if your ceramic coating, if your vehicle is just lightly dusted, light dirt on it, you can do the rinseless wash method with Optimum No Rinse. I have a video on that. Or if you want to do the 2-bucket wash method, here's a pH neutral car soap. This is G-Wash by G-Technic. I also have a video for the 2-bucket wash method. And if you notice that your ceramic coating is not performing as well as you would like it to, it's not beading and sheeting off the water as strong as it used to, it might just mean that your ceramic coating, the pores of the coating are clogged or contaminated. A lot of the times it might just need a wash, and then to clean it up, clean the road film off, and then your coating will perform just fine. Or if afterwards, after you're done washing it, you still notice that the coating isn't performing as well, probably means that the coating is contaminated, it's clogged. So we can use something like G-Technic W6, which is an iron and fallout remover. It's going to bond to embedded contamination, embedded iron filings, and remove it from the surface to allow the coating to work properly, perform properly. This is a product called C2V3. This is a silica sealant. I like to use this for my coating maintenance as well. This is what you get when you come back for maintenance with me. This is a coating booster, a coating topper that's going to rejuvenate the coating, add the hydrophobic properties back to it if you're noticing it not performing as well, and just kick up the coating again, bring it back to life if you notice that your coating isn't performing as good as it used to. As far as maintaining the coating on a day-to-day basis, if you notice bird poop, tree sap, tar, anything like that get on your vehicle, you want to make sure to get that off as soon as possible. First things first, the ceramic coating is going to make it a lot easier to remove contamination off of the vehicle. So tar is going to be a lot easier to remove, tree sap is going to be a lot easier to remove, bird poop is going to be a lot easier to remove. You want to make sure to get that off as soon as possible. If you can wash the vehicle, go for that. Same thing with bugs. If you get a lot of bugs on your vehicle, on your ceramic coating, you want to make sure to get those bugs off as soon as possible, because they can over time leave etchings into the coating, and we don't want that. And when it comes down to it, you should be taking care of a non-coated vehicle the same as you take care of a ceramic coated vehicle. The ceramic coating is just going to make maintaining it a lot easier for you guys. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you guys have any questions about the processes behind this, the products I use, feel free to comment. Feel free to leave me a message, visit my website. I'd be happy to help you guys out. Thank you guys very much for watching. I hope this video helped you guys take care of your ceramic coating.